Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to perform a practical of subject hospital and clinical pharmacy. So today's object is to determine the loss or drying of absorbent cotton. For this, just clear what is absorbent cotton. Absorbent cotton you all know, that is surgical cotton. There's another name, surgical cotton, cotton wool, and just mainly used for medical purpose, hospital, nursing house, and in our home, just because of their higher fluid absorbency. So loss of drying is important to understand the meaning of term moisture in this context. Moisture refer to all matter within a sample which can be vaporized, and this include not just water but fat, volatile solvent, and alcohol. So just start the procedure. Before this, just stir the weighing balance to get a zero value. After take a 5 gram of absorbent cotton. There we go. Take a 5 gram of absorbent cotton. Next, take a neat and clean and dry empty beaker, and weight it. After weighing the empty beaker, put the 5 gram of absorbent cotton into that beaker and again weight it. After this, in this, add 15 ml of purified water and again weight it. We are adding a 15 ml of purified water and again weight it. Now you get a value of this. So this is your initial weight. After this, place the loaded beaker in a drying chamber, which is hot air oven, and it is for 30 minutes at 105 degrees Celsius. Place the loaded beaker into the chamber, close the chamber, close the door, switch on the drying chamber. There we go. Now maintain a temperature, set a temperature of 105 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After this, after a time, remove the beaker from the drying chamber and again weight it. Just carefully remove the beaker, because obviously it is hot. Again weight it. Here you get a final weight. Initially you get an initial weight, then you get a weight after drying. So by doing a calculation, you will get a loss of drying percentage, and this is we are going to add in a calculation.